The aim of this video is to help you take out your subscription easily. Once you are on the parking offer webpage, if you have not yet created your BePark account, you'll just have to click on the green button Register on the upper right corner of the webpage. If you already have an account, instead of clicking on the Register button, you can directly accept the terms and conditions and click on the Confirm button. After clicking, you'll be redirected to the webpage for your account creation. At this stage, you just need to indicate whether you are registering as a private individual or as a professional. If you are registering as a private individual, it means that you are using the parking lot for personal use and that your invoices will be charged in your name. On the other hand, if you are registered as a professional, it means that you are registering as an employee of a company or as a self-employed person, and that you want to receive your invoices in the name of your company. If you select the professional category, you will be asked to fill in company-specific information such as the VAT number, the company's headquarters, etc. Here we register as a private individual. Once you have selected your category, click on the green button, Continue, at the bottom of the screen. First, you need to reference your personal data such as your name, first name, email address, password, license plate number, and mobile phone number. Then click on Continue. Then you will need to fill in your postal address. Please note that the license plate number, telephone number, and password you enter will be the ones used by the BePark application on your mobile phone to access the car park. It is therefore important that these elements are correct, otherwise you will not be able to access the car park. Finally, click on the green button Continue. At this stage, you should receive an email confirming that your account has been created. However, be sure to continue your registration process in order to finalize your purchase. Here, you'll be asked to choose your payment method between credit card or bank direct debit. Please note that in the case of credit cards, the security code is the 3-digit code on the back of your card. In the case of bank direct debit, you'll be asked to fill in the name of the account holder, as well as the bank account number, also known as IBAN. Here we will choose payment by credit card. Then tick the box that indicates that you have read and understood the payment conditions and click on the green button Validate. Once you have registered and the bank account details have been recorded, you will be directly redirected to the web page of the parking offer you are interested in and for which you wanted to take out a subscription. To finalize your purchase, simply tick General Terms and Conditions box, then click on the green button Confirm on the upper right corner of the offer. Congratulations, your subscription has been taken. In order to facilitate your access to the car park, a demonstration video is available on our website. Please note that you can change your BePark account information at any time. To do so, simply click your name at the top right of the webpage and select the My Account tab. In the Purchases tab, you can view all the information related to your subscriptions and bookings. It is also on this tab that you will be able to cancel your subscription after the 3-month commitment. In the History Users tab, you can consult your car park's usage history. In the Payments tab, you can manage all your billing information and payment methods. This means that you can change your bank details at any time. In the Invoices tab, you will find all your invoices. Finally, in the Profile tab, you can manage all your personal information. You can change or add a phone number and a second license plate at any time. For example, Mr. Martin Dupont rented a parking space for a 24/7 subscription and would like his wife to be able to park in his space when his vehicle is not in the parking lot. To give his wife the access, she has to add her phone number and a license plate number to her BePark customer account. Be careful if you have rented only one parking space, you cannot park 2 vehicles at the same time. When you have finished, you can click on the Logout button. The entire BePark team thanks you warmly for your trust.